round 10, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 5 double crochet here to here. Around the last one we make back post double crochet, three chain, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet into 5 chain space, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet into next 5 chain space, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Now here we make 2 front posts, leave 1, 2 front posts, leave 1, 2 front posts, leave 1, 2 front post, chain 1, leave 1, and a front post double crochet. So 2 front post double crochet around the first one, 1 and 2, leave this one and we go for next 2, 1 and 2, leave 1 and we go for next 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2, leave 1 and we go for next 2 front post double crochet, 1, 2. Now chain 1, leave 1, a front post double crochet around this one, now 7 double crochet into chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. A single crochet behind of this 7 in the center here and a single crochet. Now 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4, a single crochet into 5 chain space, 4 chain again, 1, 2, 3, 4, a single crochet into next 5 chain space, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 single crochet into next 5 chain space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1. Now here we want to make 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3 and 3 front post double crochet around the first double crochet of this 2 and repeat this pattern. So start 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 front post double crochet around the first of these 2 here, 1, 2 and 3, again 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 around the second, 1, 2 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 3 front post double crochet around the second of this Again 3 front post double crochet around the first of these two. 1, 2, and 3. Now 3 front post double crochet around the second of this 3 here. 1, 2, and 3. 3 front post double crochet around the first of these two. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochet around the second of this 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now 3 front post double crochet around the first of these two. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, 3 single crochet into 5 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, a single crochet into 5 chain space, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, a single crochet into next 5 chain space, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a single crochet behind of this 7 here in the center. We make a single crochet. Now 7 double crochet into 1 chain space here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now here we want to make a front post double crochet around the second, chain 1, leave 1, 2 front post, leave 1, 2 front post, leave 1, 2 front post, leave 1, 2 front post. So leave 1, a front post double crochet around next, chain 1, leave 1, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, leave 1, 2 front post double crochet around next, leave 1, 2 front post double crochet around the next, leave 1, 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1 and 2. Now here 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet into 5 chain space, 3 chain, a single crochet into next 5 chain space, and again 3 chain, and back post double crochet around the first of this double crochet. Here we had 5 around the first one, back post double crochet. Now 2 chain and slip stitch top of first 2 chain. We had 4 here, so 1 2 in the second we make a slip stitch and round 10 finish